hello boys and girls. Today we're reviewing our next alphabet letter. This is the very first letter in the alphabet. Does anybody know the name of this letter? This is A. Let's say it together. A. Here is an uppercase A and a lowercase a. A is a vowel, which means it makes two sounds. A says A. Let's say that together. A says A. Let's say it one more time. A says A. And you hear those sounds like in the word apple. Starts with a short A sound. Our alpha friend for the letter A is also an apple. Andy Apple. His name starts with an A. A. Andy Apple. We're going to read a story with all sorts of letter A words in it. It's called Alexander Anteater's Amazing Act. So I want you to put your best listening ears on, and I'm actually going to let them read this to you today. And I want you to listen for those other A sounds. Oopsie.
Alexander Anteater, you do not look happy. In fact, you look rather sad, said Alexander's dad. Alexander began to wail. Next Saturday is the talent show at Aphabet school. All the other kids have amazing acts, but I can't do anything. You could tap dance, said Dad. But I can't dance fast, said Alexander. You could play your banjo, said Dad. But I can't play fast, said Alexander. Well, I happen to know you can stand on your hands, said Dad. Yes, I can do that, said Alexander. But that's not amazing. Use your imagination, said Dad. Maybe you can make it amazing. Just then, the doorbell rang. It was Anna Anaconda. Wow, she said when she saw Alexander standing on his hands. You are an acrobat, Alexander. I'm practicing for the talent show at Aphabet school, said Alexander. But lots of kids can stand on their hands. I want to do something amazing. Can you do any acrobatic tricks, Anna? Alexander asked. Anna laughed. Well, I can balance a tray of stuffed glasses on my head. Cool, said Alexander. He ran to the kitchen and came back with a tray and 6 plastic glasses. Can you show me how to do that? He asked. Absolutely, said Anna. She stacked the glasses on the tray. Then she wiggled and waggled. She swayed back and forth. In no time flat, she was standing on her tail. Alexander placed the tray of glasses on her head. Fantastic, said Alexander and Dad. The doorbell rang again. This time it was Albert Alligator. Come in, said Alexander. We're doing acrobatic acts. Anna can balance a tray of glasses on her head. I can stand on my hands. What can you do, Albert? I can stand on my head, said Albert. And I think I could balance that tray of glasses on my tail. In no time flat, Albert was standing on his head. Alexander placed the tray of glasses on Albert's tail. "Fantastic!" said Alexander, Anna, and Dad. "It's too bad your pals aren't in your class, Alexander," said Dad. "Together, your talents are amazing." Alexander snapped his fingers. "That's it," he said. "I have an idea for a new acrobatic act. But I'll need a lot of practice, and I'll need your help," he told Anna and Albert. "That's what pals are for," they said. Day after day, Anna and Albert helped Alexander practice in his room. The first day, Dad heard a loud crash. "Alexander," Dad called, "are you okay?" "Yes, Dad," Alexander called back, "but I'm glad we're using plastic glasses." The next day, Dad heard a loud smash. "Alexander," Dad called, "are you okay?" "Yes, Dad," Alexander called back, "but I may need some more plastic glasses." On the last day before the talent show, Dad heard bang, 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 bang. "Alexander," Dad called, "are you okay?" "Yes, Dad," Alexander called back, "but may I please have more plastic glasses?" Finally, the big day came. Alexander and his pals raced to Aphabet school. Dad sat in the front row. He waited for the talent show to begin. What would Alexander do? Aphabet happily rang a bell. "Welcome to our talent show," she said. "Our class has many talents, as you shall see." One classmate sang, one tap danced, one did magic tricks, one played a banjo. Alexander was last. He was very excited. "I will do an acrobatic act," he announced. "My pals Anna and Albert will assist me." Alexander stood on his hands. Everyone clapped. Anna placed a tray of stacked glasses on Alexander's nose. Everyone clapped and clapped. Albert balanced a tray of stacked glasses on Alexander's tail. Everyone clapped and clapped and clapped. Alexander smiled. Then Anna and Albert stepped back, way back. Albert put his hands over his ears. Anna put her tail over her eyes. Suddenly, Alexander sprang into the air. The trays of glasses sailed up above his head. He flipped over and bam! Alexander landed on his feet, and he was balancing a tray of glasses on each hand. Now everyone was standing up and cheering. Dad and Anna and Albert were cheering loudest of all. "Hooray for Alexander!" everyone chanted. for Alexander Anteater's act was absolutely amazing.
All right. I heard lots of A words in that story. I even heard some words where there was an ah or an A sound in the middle of the word. We're going to do our worksheet now. We're going to kind of do it like we did yesterday. We're going to do the top part together where we practice writing our A's, and then you're going to do the bottom part on your own. So get this paper out of your packet and get your name on the top. And then we'll practice writing that uppercase A and that lowercase a. Okay, the first thing I want you to do is watch me do this uppercase A. Uppercase A is big slant, across. Pick your pencil up and let's do that together. Big slant, across. Now we're going to fill up that row with some uppercase A's on our own. Make sure you go on those big slants. They go all the way from the top line down till they touch the bottom line, and then we go across in the middle. Big slant, across. Big slant, across. You'll be able to make 4 or 5 A's on that line, uppercase A's. Let's come down and do our lowercase A's. Lowercase A's go around like a C, close and down. Pick up your pencil and trace that one with me. Around like a C, close and down. Let's make a row of those. Notice these stay under that middle line. Around like a C, close and down. Round like a C, close and down. Round like a C, close and down. Lowercase A's are kind of small. You should be able to fit several on that line. I got a few more lowercase A's than I did uppercase. And here we have an A picture. Apple. Starts with a short A sound. You're going to get your crayons out and you're going to color the other pictures down here that begin with the A sound. So it's either going to be A or A. You can put an X on the pictures that do not begin with the letter A. Your pictures are alligator, book, astronaut, ambulance, ball, apple, car, frog, and ant. So you're only going to color the things that start with an A sound. And we will talk about another letter tomorrow. See you then.